More on tires. Used to be, had pretty much one standard tire for each vehicle. In other words, 8-scale buggies ran an 8-scale buggy tire. A 10-scale truck would run a 10-scale truck tire. And of course, the most popular RC vehicles are the monster trucks. All the monster trucks ran the same wheel and tire on them, had a 14mm hub. Life was real simple. When you needed a new set of tires for your monster truck, you just went to your local hobby shop, bought whatever type that you wanted that we talked about in the previous chapter. What they've done to get more performance out of them is they're changing to all different types of diameters and different hub sizes as well. Gotten very complicated. It's very easy to get the wrong type. So instead of having just a 14mm hub on the market today, there's 17mm, there's 20mm, there's 23, and I believe there's also 21mm hubs. So it's critical that when you buy one, that you buy one that has the right hub that will actually mount to the truck. Beyond that, it comes into diameters, which is going to make you different wheel sizes sidewall. So less sidewall means less roll going into the corners, better cornering. More sidewall, better jump handling where the tire will flex and actually grip into the inconsistencies, the holes and crevices on a track and give you more overall performance.